Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A35 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Take long screenshot on this device, open your application with support. It can be Google Chrome settings, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together. And there we tap on this first icon. We must push this button to create our long screenshot and adding more information to that. When we have all we need, we stop push it. And after a second we have it and we can open it in our gallery maybe, which is very saved. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.